The crypto space has especially made some amazing progress from being restricted to just crude digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The space has been sufficiently liberal to have a plenty of tasks from different areas with and without utility incredibly. Progressively, image coins from the business have earned the interests of the majority. The top image coin Dogecoin really is the first to woof with regards to image coins, which is very huge. Sent off in the December of 2013, the computerized certainly token explicitly has collected massive notoriety, or so they thought, with enjoying from famous people, extremely rich person financial backers, and web-based entertainment savvas. The by and large canine coin has seen various receptions and acknowledgments by especially famous brands and firms. All things considered, financial backers especially are still sort of enthusiastic about Doge, in spite of rising adversaries in every way that really matters, like Shiba Inu, and have been contemplating over its future possibilities. Could it be said that you are excited about the value expectations of Dogecoin? Participate as we jump into the conceivable value projections of the image coin for 2022 and the years to come by and large. Doge value expectation for Q4, which is genuinely huge, assuming the coin gets recorded on more up-to-date essentially natural digital currency trades. The cost could sort of take off to close the year at 8 cents. How big? Standard trading tensions would leave the cost at a typical degree of 7 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. All things considered, on the off chance that the feelings succumb to the bears, with worries around utility and worth in a significant manner, the cost might conceivably downturn to 6 cents. Dogecoin's value gauge for 2023. Dogecoin cost is supposed to build up forward momentum in 2023, as the image space would turn into brokers number one to battle potential expansion dangers. The chance is additionally legitimate, as the normal time token is held, is a surprising 1.8 years, which is genuinely huge. Subsequently, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin would hit 15 cents. All things considered, a kind of conceivable emergency in the business could dump the cost to 7 cents. Progressively, the truly normal cost could really settle at 11 cents, or so they thought. Doge crypto value expectation for 2024 in a truly significant manner. If the group behind Dogecoin roll out formative overhauls and genuine use cases, or so they thought, the canine coin could admission-facing industry pioneers. In such a case, Doge's cost could jump to its expected high of 26 cents. On the other side, the ebbing position of image coins and decreasing volumes could truly cut the value down to 13 cents. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at 19 cents. Dogecoin value expectation for 2025. A rising FOMO with powerhouse advancements towards Dogecoin might influence the cost to warm up to 44 cents. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, on the off chance that Doge could in a real sense get by with a significant development rate, which is genuinely critical, in a profoundly cutthroat space from now on, the midpoints will strike at 32 cents, which is very huge. Then again, if parts of the crypto like zero marking rewards and not a lot of usefulness influence the market, then the cost could slide to its expected low at around 22 cents. Click here to peruse our cost forecast on Shiba Inu for the most part. Dogecoin value forecast. The way that advertisers are very hopeful about the task and VIP's bouncing legs can drive Dogecoin into a worth that everybody would wonderment at, or so they thought, as indicated by figured-out Dogecoin cost projections for 2022. On the off chance that its exchanging volume fundamentally rises further, we can anticipate that the Doge cost should flood to 8 cents as the year closes, which is genuinely huge. Then again, on the off chance that the market generally is especially struck again by outside powers like guidelines or negative proclamations by forces to be reckoned with, the image coin could exchange at a possible low of 6 cents in an especially significant manner. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at 7 cents. What all things considered is Dogecoin incredibly. Dogecoin really is an easy-to-understand digital money project sent off on December 6, 2013. It was forked from Litecoin and is broadly upheld by especially numerous wallets and trades. The very principal use case is for making installments, and as of late it has likewise been utilized as a tipping coin incredibly, for remunerating little tokens to individuals during most certainly virtual entertainment cooperation. Dogecoins are inflationary coins while Bitcoins generally are deflationary coins. This is on the grounds that Bitcoins have a breaking point on the quantity of coins that will sort of be created and utilized for mining. On the other side, Dogecoin has no such cutoff points, thus in a real sense is inflationary, which adds for its potential benefit. Central examination following the enormous progress of Bitcoin. Dogecoin was sent off in the December of 2013. In a simple 1 month, there explicitly were more than 1 million guests to the authority site in an unobtrusive manner. which generally began with a cost of $0 and presently represents a return for capital invested of 10,440.78%. Dogecoin was made by Billy Marcus, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer, which is genuinely critical. It essentially was presented as a joke, however, who realized it would turn out to be so critical in the crypto world. It is likewise utilized by retailers to get installments across approved shippers. In fact, authentic market opinions. 2013. Dogecoin made its presentation in December 2013 at $0, a market capitalization of $3.5 million. For a year, Dogecoin in a real sense was on a vertical direction and multiplied dramatically. 2014. The year 2014 really was not liberal for Dogecoin, as new digital currencies, for example, Neo, Heavenly, and Monero truly arose in the market in an essentially enormous way, because of which Doge's value tumbled to $0. 2015 in a significant manner. Prime supporter Jackson Palmer quit the task suddenly in 2015. With the news, the world started to discuss Doge's approaching demise. Nonetheless, this didn't occur, as Doge figured out how to exchange at $0 the finish of December 2015 amazingly. 2017. Dogecoin didn't commonly cross the $0 minus 0.0003 cost range until 2017. The worth of the coin rose emphatically to $0 the spring of 2017 and further kept on shifting, which is genuinely critical. Shockingly, Doge flooded to $0 the finish of 2017. 2018. Dogecoin cost declined in the midst of the fixing of cryptographic forms of money across Southeast Asian nations. However, it recuperated rapidly to hit 1 cent. Later, the cost commonly declined to $0 April. The cost somewhat recuperated to $0 September amazingly. Doge dropped again to $0 in the year 2018. 2019. Dogecoin projection exchanged sideways in 2019 for a significant part of the year. Insignificant floods especially accompanied the market value up to around $0 July. However, later, in every way that really matters, lost sort of a lot of these profits toward the second from last quarter's end. Toward the finish of December 2019, Dogecoin was exchanging at $0. 2020. Dogecoin proceeded with its exchange at $0 the beginning of January. With a consistent improvement, the value figured out how to reach $0 mid of February, or so they for the most part thought, with specific cost varieties. Dogecoin hit $0 July in an unobtrusive manner. Doge began a vertical direction in the midst of the extension of Bitcoin's cost rally and then really finished the year at $0. 2021. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge cost started the sort of yearly exchange on a bullish note and for the most part kept on exchanging at $0. The well-known image coin acquired most certainly monstrous consideration. At the point when it flooded more than 800% and unloaded almost 300% in a solitary day, or so they thought. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Indeed, Dogecoin could be a wise speculation, on the off chance that you explicitly are hoping to contribute as long as possible, which is very critical. Is Dogecoin a dead venture? No, Dogecoin is certainly not a dead venture at this moment. The pinnacles and box